How to use Uber Cash on Postmates. To use Uber Cash on Postmates, follow these steps. Launch the Postmates app on your smartphone or download it from the App Store or Google Play Store if you don't have it. If you're an existing Postmates user, log into your account. If you're new, create a new account following the on-screen prompts. After logging in, tap on your profile icon or the Account Settings tab, typically located in the upper left or right corner of the app. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Wallet option and tap on it. Under the Wallet section, you'll find various payment options. Choose to add a payment method and select Uber Cash from the list. If you already have an Uber account, you'll be prompted to link it to your Postmates account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the linking process. If you don't have an Uber account, you'll need to create one. After linking your Uber account, you'll see your Uber Cash balance displayed in the Wallet section. This balance will be used to pay for your Postmates orders. With Uber Cash set up as a payment method, proceed to place your order on Postmates as usual. Browse available restaurants or stores, select items, and add them to your cart. When you're ready to check out, select Uber Cash as your payment method. If your Uber Cash balance doesn't cover the entire order cost, you can use another payment method, such as a credit card, to pay the remaining amount. These steps will enable you to use Uber Cash for payment when ordering on Postmates, enhancing your flexibility and convenience. I think you found this video informative. Thanks for watching.